This is Cassel from Creation Cassel. In this video, we'll look at how to create laser-cut doilies using a script in PaintShop Pro. The script is called Laser-Cut Doilies Round, so it will create a circular laser-cut doily. And you don't have to have anything in particular open on your workspace, and if you do, it's not a problem either. So you just run the script, and you get the option to create it smaller or larger depending on your project. Let's just use a default size of 2000 pixels, which will be a little bit more than 6 inches. So now the script has created those two lines between which you will create your design using the brush tool. Let's zoom in and see. You can create designs between the lines or right in the middle of the lines. First, I'll use 30 pixels in size and create an outline of the doily. I like to create dots right on the line because it will make the design often seamless. Then you add other kind of designs using those dots. You can use the same size or change the size. You can create curvy lines or straight lines. So let's create some design. You can also use a small brush tip and create straight lines. Or curvy lines. And when you're happy with your design, you simply run the script again to continue. At this point, it's time to decide what color you want to have your doily. You can have it white, which is kind of standard, or you can use also another color, or a gradient, or even a pattern. Using a gradient is kind of interesting. If you choose to add a gradient, make sure you are using the sunburst style so that it will really follow that circular shape. You can use a nice soft color or anything that you really have. Let's find something soft, like maybe here, and you accept. After this, you'll notice that all the designs that you did are turned into holes. And now you have a really nice and unique doily. If you want to change the color, you can still do that. For example, you can lock the transparency and using a different color. Let's say we want to use a light blue color. Using the flood fill tool, you flood fill on your doily. It will change color, and now you have to simply add the bevel that was added initially. And since the settings are left the same, you can just go back to Effects, 3D Effects, Inner Bevel, and these are the settings that were applied initially. And you have another doily that is very different. So depending on the design or the placement of all your dots and lines, you can get an infinite variety of doilies. So now it's your turn to create your own circular laser cut doily with the script and PaintShop Pro. Enjoy!